Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a writing career with Medium, complete guide step by step clearly. To build a writing career with Medium, start by creating a Medium account. Choose a username that reflects your writing style or niche. Set up your profile with a concise bio and a professional photo. Write a few introductory articles to showcase your voice and expertise. Focus on topics you are passionate about and have knowledge in. Research popular publications within Medium that align with your niche. Submit your articles to these publications to reach a broader audience. Engage with other writers in the Medium community by leaving thoughtful comments. Follow writers whose work inspires you to stay motivated and informed. Utilize tags effectively to ensure your articles reach the right readers. Analyze the performance of your articles using Medium's built-in statistics. Adjust your writing strategy based on what resonates with your audience. Explore Medium's partner program to monetize your content. Dedicate time to consistently produce and publish high-quality work. Network with other writers for collaboration opportunities. Attend online workshops or webinars to sharpen your writing skills. Stay updated on trends and changes within Medium's platform. Utilize social media to promote your articles and connect with your audience. Seek feedback from readers to improve your writing continuously. Make a habit of writing regularly to develop your voice and style. Celebrate your milestones and reflect on your progress along the way. Stay patient and persistent, as building a career takes time and dedication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.